Thanks for joining. Today I'm running solo again because Kat is off doing something fun again, and she may stop by during the taste test if we're lucky. And today we're making Joe's Huevos Rancheros. And who is Joe? Joanna Gaines from Magnolia Network, of course. And the things we've made from her so far have been delicioso, so fingers crossed. Pretty confident this is going to be excellent as well. So this is going to be a yummy breakfast or a yummy breakfast for dinner kind of thing. So we start off with the star of the show, the huevos. 2, I'm gonna make 3. All right, so we are gonna let this cook a bit. So I'm gonna cover that. And then next up is the ranchero sauce. The ranchero sauce is super easy. You probably have 99% of this in your house already. So you're gonna start off with 2.5 cups of chopped tomatoes, thinly sliced onions, a whole clove minced garlic, and a teaspoon of salt, and a tablespoon of jalapenos. All right, we're gonna cook this for 20 to 25 minutes till the tomatoes break down. And don't worry about it being chunky because we will be blending it later. I'm so glad I have a lid on. All that noise is the eggs. The popping is happening because this frying pan hates me. All right, I'm only at the 10-minute mark, but mine is looking a little like it could use some water, so I'm gonna add a 4th cup of water, half teaspoon of cumin. In the meantime, I'm warming up some black beans, and I'm gonna soon warm up some corn tortillas, so then we'll be ready to assemble. So at this point, we're supposed to use a hand emulsifier and blend it all while in the pot. I don't have me one of those, so in the blender it goes. Ooh. Woo, black beans all warmed up, ready to go. Got my eggs ready to go. And with the eggs, I started with them first, but in hindsight, the sauce takes about 20 minutes, so you don't have to start the eggs right away. I would start with the sauce first. Warming up the corn tortillas. Okay, we're almost ready. So I'm gonna text Kat and see if she can join us so she can watch me eat this. For my assembly, I'm gonna put some cheese on there. Look at all these black beans. I'm gonna have to look up the recipe of what to do with these. Big spoon for the ranchero. Ooh, nice and pureed. Ah, can't forget the eggs, which my eggs look crazy. I know, I had to do it in a situation. Crazy eggs, check. And then other toppings include green onions, you can put in some cilantro. Another treat is cojita cheese. And we have it. And I used the cheese to cover up my crazy egg a little bit. Kat made it just in time to watch me eat this delicious Huevos Rancheros.
I'm gonna look at you and you as you eat.
She wanted to join, so I'm not torturing her on TV. She wanted to see what was up and what I was making, so
yeah.
Here it goes. I'm gonna take a bite.
Are the eyebrows up?
Can you hear me chewing?
Yes, and I'm so jealous. Be so hungry.
Okay, this is super good. I don't know why. I'm not like totally surprised because Joanna Gaines knows what she's doing, but I don't think I've ever had anything like this before. Have you ever had a huevo ranchero before?
It's always on the menu when you go to like brunch, and I just always go like, oh, but like, you know, eggs Benedict is always calling my name, or pancakes. I just assume that it's delicious. I do know that Jennifer Aniston is a huge fan of it, so it's gotta be good, right?
I didn't have an emulsifier to blend it, so I used a blender because, you know, I hate doing extra dishes. I may try skipping that step next time. I think it'll still taste really good. It's just a texture thing.
So
this
could you just use salsa, you think?
I guess you could, but you know, when you take shortcuts, you lose a little bit of this and that in the flavor, so you're kind of sacrificing, I think, how good it could be. 2 thumbs up, way up. I would have this breakfast, lunch, or dinner. I highly recommend it. And I hope you join us for next time. Next time when Kat and I are together. It's so much more fun in the kitchen when we're both cooking together. But make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video. We'll see you then. Bye.
Sometimes you gotta just dig in, right? You are missing out, girl. Mmm.